Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to contact Amazon through live chat. So you might be wanting to do this if you've been on the phone and there's a queue to get through and you've been waiting a while, or maybe you just prefer to use like a live chat feature rather than phoning or emailing. If this video does help you out, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get started. What we're going to do is come across to our Amazon account. You just want to go ahead and make sure you're logged in. And then what you want to do is come to the drop-down box. If you hover over your name in the top right-hand corner, and then you just want to click onto your account at the top. And then from here, what we're going to do is click this help section, this help button here. And then what we're going to do from here is just go and click onto the contact us tab down here. So this is how you get to the chat. Now, when you first get through to the chat, there's actually like a bot, like an automated help bot, which is kind of like standard for a lot of companies these days. So what you're going to want to do is click this yellow button. Yours should say start chatting, mine says continue your chat, so it depends on whether you've used this service before. And basically what you want to do is it's going to come up and it's going to come up with a message like this saying, hello, it's Amazon's chat assistant, what can I help you with? And it's going to give you some options. So to actually talk to a human being, what you're going to want to do is, if I just get this example up a minute. So when you get the chat box down here, this is sort of the options it's going to give you. But what you're going to want to do is come to the chat box down here, and you want to put chat to someone or talk to someone, something like that. And what's going to happen, the robot thing is going to say, okay, would you like to connect with an associate for help? And what you can do is you can click this one to get help through chat, and that's going to put you through to a live human that works for Amazon. And you'll be able to talk it through with them that way. What you can also do is click this one which says call me now instead. So instead of you waiting on a queue, if you do prefer to use a phone, they will call you when they're free. So they'll call you on the mobile number you've got registered to your account. So please make sure it's the right phone number if you want to do that method. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.